Okay, Smokey. Here you go, buddy. Here's your piece of paper. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Bring it back. Come on. Come on, bring it. He's getting it. There he comes. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Chase it off. Here he comes. Watch it. I can do this all day. He will do this all day. He loves it. Drop it. You ready? Oh, good boy. Okay. Okay, here we go. Ready? Ready? Okay. Get it. Here he comes. Watch this. It's hilarious. He does this all the time. In fact, I can't get him off the desk unless I throw him this paper wad. It's kind of hard to... It's hard to even work from home unless I close the door. Hey, bring it up here. Bring it up on the desk. Sometimes he does that too. That's not close enough. Yeah, I know. He knows I'm leaving tonight. He's upset. Come on. Here he comes. Wait for it. Wait for it. Come on, Smokey. Come on, big boy. There he is. Look at him. Drop it. Such a good boy. Good boy.